Welcome to Tutorial Thursday with Dazzy D's. Hello everyone, this is Deanne from Dazzy D's with another head wrap tutorial. I usually start off with a bonnet or a turban on my hair to protect it from drying out, and the interesting thing is this tutorial is on a turban tutorial. So I start off with my Ankara head wrap, and I'm going to fold it in half lengthwise. So once I've done that, I'm going to then fold it about 3/4 of the way down. So you still have a little bit length left on one side, and you're going to place your hand right at the end where you have the two loops. You're going to wrap it and pull your end right through those two loops. So as you can see, I have that extra fabric there, and then the opening at the top. So I'm pulling it down just to make sure my head is covered. And then I'm going to spread out that fabric that's just kind of hanging there. And I will place it in that opening at the top to get that turban look. And you can shape it to your head. It is just that simple. All right, everyone, you can do this. Try this look and let me know how it turns out. Have a great day, everyone, and remember, Dazzy D's is a celebration of culture and style.